Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2011 EC paper. The question is two systems H1 of Z and H2 of Z are connected in cascade as shown below. The overall output Y of n is same as the input X of n with unit delay. What is the transfer function of this second system? So what they have given is, they have given two LTI system connected in cascade. Transfer function of first system they have given, and output they have given. What is the transfer function of second system they are asking? So we know total transfer function is when two systems are connected in cascade, it is a multiplication of individual transfer function. So H1 of Z, H2 of Z. Okay. So H1 of Z they have given, that is 1 minus 0.4 Z power minus 1 divided by 1 minus 0.6 Z power minus 1. This I don't know. Right, so it must be something. So what it should give, right? So y of z, they have given y of n. Y of n is same as x of n, right? So with unit delay. So what is the thing they have given? Y of n is equal to x of same as input with the delay 1. So it is z power minus 1 h of z. This is y of z. So it is a transform of x of n minus 1. So what is the transfer function? Overall system transfer function y of z is equal to h of z. Sorry, y of z by x of z is equal to z power minus 1. That is my h of z. So overall transfer function must be equal to z power minus 1, because this is the overall transfer function. Overall transfer function, as per the problem, it should be z power minus 1. So if I multiply h2 of z with this factor, what I should get is z power minus 1. So what I need to do, if I want to get z power minus 1 answer as my answer, my new transfer function h2 of z should be z power minus 1, 1 minus this one divided by 1 minus 0.4 z power minus 1. So if I multiply this with this, I get z power minus 1. So z power minus 1, 1 minus 0.6 divided by 1 minus 0.4 z power minus 1. Option B is the right answer. Thank you.